Think of many times you have traveled or gone on vacation. You will notice that your food experience has an impact on your overall travel experience. Many people have made their destination choices based on food interest. The food countries on the list we have compiled below are examples of such destinations. They have the most sumptuous and delicious cuisine on the planet. Food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for an organism. Food is usually of plants, animals, or fungal in the origin and contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins, or minerals. Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK class. But today we are going to do page number 50, that is related to Bon Appetit, that is related to the famous dishes which we enjoy in the different parts of the world, in different countries. Let's do. Before starting the topic, let's see the learning outcome. Students, after the completion of this topic, you will be able to enlist the name of some famous dishes of different countries. You will be able to choose and write the correct name of the country on the basis of description given. You will be able to know the famous dishes of many countries. Let's do. First one is hamburger. Hamburger is a flat round cake of minced beef, fried or grilled, and typically served in a bread roll garnished with various condiments. A burger, place of origin where it started first is United States. Second one is polenta. Polenta is a dish of boiled corn meal that was historically made from other grains. It may be served as a hot porridge or it may be allowed to cool and solidify into a loaf that can be baked, fried, or grilled. Its place of origin is Italy. Third one is sushi. Sushi is a popular Japanese dish made from seasoned rice with fish, egg, or vegetables. A sushi roll is shaped inside a thin sheet of seaweed. Sushi comes from a Japanese word meaning sour rice. Place of origin of this dish is Japan. Fourth one is tortillas. Tortillas is a piece of thin flat bread that first came from Mexico and is made from corn and eggs. Fifth one is baklava. Baklava is a dessert originated in the Middle East made of filo pastry filled with chopped nuts and soaked in honey. It is the favorite dessert of Turkey. One is hummus. Hummus is a chickpea dish. Chickpeas in tahini is a dip, spread or savory dish made from cooked mashed chickpeas blended with tahini, lemon juice and garlic. It is popular in Middle East and the place of origin of hummus is UAE. Seventh one is nasi goreng. Nasi goreng literally means fried rice in both the Indonesian and Malay language. Is an Indonesian rice with piece of meat and vegetables added. It is simply referred to fried pre-cooked rice. Chocolates are made from grounded cocoa seeds that is made in the form of a liquid paste or in a block, which may also be used as a flavoring ingredients in other food. Ninth one is chop suey. Chop suey is a Chinese cuisine consisting of meat, often chicken, fish, beef, shrimps, or pork, and eggs cooked quickly with vegetables such as beans, sprouts, cabbage, and celery, and bound in a starched thick sauce. Chole Bhature 10th one, you all know kids that it is a dish which is originated in northern India, especially in Punjab. It is a combination of chana masala, spicy white chickpeas, and bhatura puri is a fried bread made from maida. This is distinct Punjabi variant of the dish. Kids, I told you, by the end of this video, you will be able to enlist the names of some famous dishes originated in different parts of the world. Now, I have one question for you to answer. You have to tell me which is the national vegetable of India and which is the national food of India.